Banking BPO services. Banking business process outsourcing or banking BPO is a highly specialized sourcing strategy used by banks and lending institutions to support the business acquisition and account servicing activities associated with the customer lending lifecycle. These specific BPO services are usually offered through multi-year service level agreements for all or portions of the credit card lending, consumer lending or commercial lending segments of the financial services market. Some larger financial services organizations choose to extend their sourcing strategy to include other outsourced services such as ecosystems and software, human resources outsourcing and benefits services, finance and accounting outsourcing, FAO, services, procurement or training outsourcing. Banking BPO services are typically defined by industry analysts, advisors and leaders in the sourcing industry, such as the set of discrete processes or transactional activities that support the lending life cycle as follows.